I gotta save space for when you guys fix this, because this is why I came to the channel. Okay, this is what the people want to see. Oh. Can't even see in there. There's so much parts.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are prepping the panels for paint. So we are gonna jam all the panels, get them all put back on the car, and get this car one step closer to getting done. So if you guys like these videos, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below, and let's get to work.
So we got the body lines kind of lined up just for now. So we primered the jams and then painted it over like you guys seen with that spray can that really kind of matches with this paint that we have here. It was a easier, cheaper route to go. And so next will be paint. We're done for today. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, second day here. Before we take the car to the paint booth, we want to clean it up. So we're gonna go inside and clean up the interior of the Honda Civic. So we're grabbing the fender, gonna go to the paint store to get some paint matched to the color. So hopefully we could paint it here in the next couple days. Soon. Let's go. Only in Idaho you're gonna see a tractor.
You roll up on your tractor.
To the paint store. Well, we showed you guys how bad this was earlier, and we're saying that we might get a new one, but look at this now. We grabbed like a little steamer here. I don't even know where Oleg found it, but he got the steamer, and look how clean it got. It cleaned up really nicely. And so did this. It had some kind of lotion on it. Maybe a girl used to drive this car, I'm not sure, but it had some kind of like built up gunk. But anyway, that steamer really took care of it. We heard noise outside. This guy's here. You're stuck.
fall through?
A little bit. You need a little push?
It moves a little.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, you're good.
Bye.
There's a couple of videos on this M5 on our channel, so go check them out as well.
Hey, you gotta get the right angle. New cameraman. No, that's the wrong angle. Huh? I'm gonna fire you. I'm just trying to impress. Hey, you're our first applicant. This is your trial. Can I be a camera woman? Huh. Probably can be. Huh. Bro, what kind of vacuuming is this? There's a ton of garbage in there. That's not garbage. That's burnt or some kind of holes in the carpet. Hey, there's a spare though. Like that's a huge plus. Now that you're not working, I gotta get the other guy working. We're just doing car angles. It's the Michelin Man. It's the Michelin Man. Huh. Bootleg. The bootleg Michelin Man. Yo, I need this light. These guys can't even buy a light mounted to the camera. What's going on around here? Yo, the lighting? Bro, you might get hired actually. Yo, dog. Yo, look at this. Yo, you gotta come closer. I gotta see you right here. Hey, you're shining in the wrong place. You ever shine a light to your dad while he's working? I did. Exactly. You gotta be experienced. And I got fired. You're about to get fired. Huh. Oh, this is actually kind of legit. The light here, there's more dirt than I thought there was. Are you actually recording? Yeah. Yeah. If I didn't bring a light, everyone would have thought you did a good job, but now you can tell. Huh. I might get fired from my own job. Huh, you're about to get replaced. Bad. All right, dude, I gotta sign off. Yo, I gotta save some space. Yo, you serious? For the real footage. For the good footage. You serious? About to get fired? I gotta save space for when you guys fix this. Because this is why I came to the channel, okay? This is what the people want to see. Oh. Can't even see in there, there's so much parts. This is what the people want to see. I got slacker number 1, slacker number 2. I can't spread him. Slacker number 3 behind the camera. I'm holding the camera. Holding it back. Yeah, I got you a toothbrush. Oh, jeez. All right, guys, I'm back. They seen me with the camera, so they're working again. But you know, I don't know much about cars, but something doesn't seem right here. Something. I don't know about these guys. I don't know, I don't want to put him on blast, but something doesn't seem right. Oh man, that thing's heavy.
What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Yeah. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know much about cars, but
Something.
I don't know how you guys trust these guys. Something doesn't seem right. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show real quick.
No, what are you recording?
Oh, nothing. Just the shop. See, there's another carpet.
Just a shot.
Just the shop.
Why are you zooming in on the...
The vacuum. I was just,
Oh,
you know,
vacuum.
our
Okay.
sponsors.
Are you gonna paint the car now?
With the Sharpie, yeah.
I just noticed you kind of... You damaged the roof by dropping this light right there.
I'll go get my Sharpies. Hey, I left this thing and it was sitting good.
You're the one that touched it.
I have video proof.
You're the last one that touched it though.
I don't think it works that way. Interior's starting to come together.
Too much horsepower.
Got to detune it a little. It's all about the angles. Almost stock.
You alright?
Are you pulling all of them off?
I might just leave that D2 because I think the struts are D2 or the coils are. Yeah, cause like,
Bro, you're basically unboxing your car and you guys can't unbox it. You gotta record this stuff. Yeah, that's basically right there. Unboxing a car.
the life has started.
That's true. That's true.
Okay, so we got the truck, the trailer. Gonna pull the Civic out to the trailer and go get it painted. Hopefully everything will be good. The Civic does start. What did we have to do? I don't think we told them.
Change the fuse.
Change the fuse and that's about it. Yo, the first burnout. Okay, so move the trailer back just a tiny bit. This wood is wet, so it's having a hard time. There we go. Okay, so we're getting this thing prepped for paint. We're doing an in-depth video of how to prep your car for paint and then also how to paint. So be sure to stay tuned for that video. That video will be out after this video comes out with the build part 3. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so the car is finally painted. We haven't really took a great look at it because we're still under lights here in the shop. So next video we're gonna pull it out, we're gonna look at it, and we're gonna put it all together. There's some plans for the next video, so be sure to stay tuned and watch the next video as well. But thank you for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.